Commissioner Patterson, welcome back to Houston. It's always good to see you here and have an opportunity to speak with you. You had a great weekend up in Fort Worth not too long ago with the convention and the new immigration platform. And one of the other big races that's going on right now that people in Texas are talking about is the Supreme Court race with Justice David Medina and John Devine. What are your thoughts on that race?
Well, I don't have anything against John Devine at all, but I do know that David Medina voted right on open beaches in Texas, and you have to keep that in mind when you go to the polls. Justice Medina cut through the politically correct BS, if you don't mind, and recognize that there is a traditional, century-old right for Texans to go to a public beach. Mm-hmm. And he voted that way in the recent decision that, he was one of the few that voted the right way. So I'm voting for David Medina, no doubt about it.
And the significance of that case, some people had lost their land basically in the hurricane and because of the way the beach
it's kind of an interesting, it's fairly esoteric, but when you buy property on the Gulf frontage, and if the beach grows because of accretion, you gain title to that property, you owe the state nothing. Similarly, if the beach erodes, you lose title to that property. That's the vagaries of Mother Nature. The state has no interest. We're not taking the land. And this case had to do with the boundary on the public beach. And my belief is the Supreme Court ruled the wrong way. But there were 3 justices that voted the right way, protecting the public's right to the public beaches, which is a long-standing common law statutory, and just what is right for Texas. That 3 judges voted the right way, and one of those was Justice David Medina.
Well, thank you very much for your comments on that. We appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.